In this video, we'll show you the fuse box locations and fuse diagrams for the Volkswagen Passat model years 2011 through 2015. Depending on the trim level and engine, your vehicle may have fuse panels inside the dashboard under the hood and in additional locations throughout the vehicle. The main interior fuse panel is typically located on the driver's side of the dashboard behind a removable cover. This fuse box commonly protects interior lighting, power windows, infotainment systems, power outlets, climate controls, central locking, and other comfort features. The engine compartment fuse box is located under the hood, usually near the battery. This panel contains fuses for engine management systems, cooling fans, ABS components, fuel delivery systems, headlights, and other critical electrical circuits. Before checking a fuse, switch off the ignition and all electrical accessories. Remove the suspected fuse using a fuse puller and inspect the metal strip inside. If the strip is broken, replace the fuse with one of the exact same amperage rating. If the replacement fuse blows again, further electrical diagnosis may be needed.